Hello everyone, today's video is for all the students who want to make their studies easier and smarter. Today, we will talk about Google's new and powerful AI tool, Google Gemini. Basically, Google Gemini is a powerful AI tool that can be quite useful for you. Think of it as your personal assistant for everything from writing assignments to understanding complex topics. Gemini can generate text, help with a code snippet, and answer a question provided. Now, here's the exciting part. Many universities have tie-ups with Google, which means as a student, you might get special access to a premium version of Gemini. This could include faster responses, more in-depth help, and even some exclusive features. On-screen text/graphics highlight benefits like faster access, advanced research, exclusive features with student-related icons. University's website. Look for any section on student resources or IT services. You might find some information there about Google or Gemini. If your university offers it, log in. Use your student ID and password to log in through their portal. Access Gemini. You should find a link or instructions on how to access Google Gemini's premium features. Show a simulated login process and accessing Gemini. Once you're in, you can ask it anything. Need help understanding a concept? Want to brainstorm ideas for a project? Gemini can assist you. So, in short, your student ID can unlock a powerful AI tool that can seriously help you with your studies. It's all about working smarter, not just harder. If you found this helpful, like this video and subscribe for more tech tips for students. Let me know in the comments if your university offers Gemini access. Thanks for watching.